Hi, guys. Welcome back to Fly High Balloon Creations. Welcome, everyone. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I am going to show you how to make this stunning Black History balloon column with a spiral design to celebrate Black History Month or any event honoring Black excellence. This is an easy DIY tutorial perfect for parties, school events, or community gatherings. Let's get started. Materials needed are balloons in the colors of Black History Month, 2411 or 12-inch balloons, 32 5-inch balloons, brand of your choice. I am using Sempertex, Quellatex, Celotex, and Rubflex. I am using 8 5-inch fashion black, 8 5-inch fashion red, 8 11 inches, 8 5-inch spring green, 8 11 inches, 8 5-inch metallic gold, and 8 12 inches. A balloon pump, manual or electrical. I highly recommend an electrical. It will save you lots of time and breath. A balloon sizer. It's very important that your balloons are properly and equally sized. That's the biggest key to a professional look. And last but not least, a balloon column stand. I am using my lamp balloon stand that I purchased from Walmart. It comes with a sturdy base and 5 of these poles, but I am only using 4 of them for this project. Let's assemble the balloon column stand. Take your first pole and screw it onto the base and screw the others onto it. Make sure it's sturdy so the column stands upright. I highly recommend using a weight plate or any other type of weight for extra stability. I attach a balloon onto the pole to prevent the balloons from popping, and it also helps secure the balloons onto the pole. Now let's inflate balloons and tie them together to form cords of 4 different sizes to build the column. Let's first start by inflating 2 11-inch red balloons. Size them down to 9 inches by pressing them up against the 9-inch hole of the balloon sizer box. Slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together, forming a duplet. Let's do the same with 2 other 11-inch red balloons, forming another duplet. Now let's bring both duplets together. Take 1 balloon from each and twist them together, forming a 9-inch quad of 4 balloons. We will do the same with 4 11-inch green balloons, forming a 7-inch quad of 4 balloons. Repeat the steps with 4 12-inch gold balloons, forming a 6-inch quad of 4 balloons. And we are going to do the same with 1 5-inch black, red, green, and yellow, forming a 4-inch quad of 4 balloons. And we will continue the process until we have formed 1 more set of these 9-inch quads, 7-inch quads, 6-inch quads, and 7 more sets of these 4-inch quads. Optional, I decided to add this stunning 36-inch African American man graduate foil balloon as my topper. To inflate the foil balloon, I used the hand pump to open up the valve and used the electrical pump to fully inflate the foil balloon, making sure not to overinflate it to prevent popping it. If you decide to use a topper for your column, you can also use a 24 or 36-inch latex balloon. To attach the foil balloon on top of the column, I attached the 260Q balloon onto it. I pushed all the air out of the 260. I then took it and placed it across the very end of the valve, rolled it up around the 260 all the way up until it touched the body of the balloon, and tied both ends of the 260 into a double knot. Now it's time to attach balloons onto the stand. Let's start at the base with our 9-inch cord. Slide it onto the pole between two of the balloons. Twist them around each other, locking them into place, and gently press down on them so that they are all set nice and flat against the base. Next, we are going to grab our second layer 7-inch cord and do the same, making sure that the balloons are nestled in between the balloons below it. And we are going to repeat the steps with the third layer 6-inch cord. Now that the bottom 3 layers are created, we are going to add on top of it 8 layers of our 4-inch cord to start designing the spiral. Slide the first cord onto the pole between 2 balloons. Twist them around each other, locking them into place, and gently press down on them. Next, we are going to grab the second cord and lay it on top of the first cord, placing red on gold and gold on red, and twist the cord slightly to create the spiral effect. Continue the process, making sure to twist the cord slightly to create the spiral effect. You can check halfway through to see if you are doing it correctly. You should see the spiral forming. Now that our spiral is created, we are going to follow the top of the stand up with 1 layer of our 6-inch cord, 7-inch cord, and 9-inch cord. Let's secure the topper balloon. To attach the foil balloon onto the column, I centered it right on top of the column, making sure it's nestled down between the balloons. I then took one end of the 260 and wrapped it snugly around one of the front balloons, and I did the same with the other end of the 260, wrapping it around the other front balloon, securing the foil balloon onto the column. Remember to periodically step back and assist the overall shape and balance of the column as you go. And there you have it, a beautiful Black History balloon column with a spiral design. This will make a great statement piece for any celebration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing balloon decorations ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!